Are you trying to dive into cybersecurity and you want to know if this is going to be a good fit for you or not, and you don't have 20 grand to blow in a boot camp or even the expensive tuition fees, or you're just so overwhelmed about all the cybersecurity resources out there and you don't know which one is good, you don't know which one is the best fit, then this video is for you. In this video I'll be talking about best Coursera courses for you if you want to dive into the cybersecurity world or you just want to brush your knowledge of cybersecurity. The best part is some of these courses you actually get a certificate from taking some of these courses, which will look good on your resume. Some of these courses you can try them for 7 days before deciding if you actually want to pay for the courses or not. So guys, before we dive into the video, just you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and like this video for the YouTube algorithm so that this channel can grow. Thank you. The first course I'm going to be talking about is the Introduction to the Cybersecurity Specialization, and this is actually a course offered by NYU Tandon School of Engineering. The skills you learn in this course include cryptography, cybersecurity, risk assessment, cyber defense, cyber attacks, DOS, and information security. There are 4 courses in this specialization. The first one is Introduction to Cyber Attacks. The second one is Cyber Attack Countermeasures. The third one is Real-Time Cyber Threat Detection and Mitigation. The fourth one is Enterprise and Infrastructure Security. This course is a good course if you want to know what cybersecurity is about, what it entails. And the instructor is Dr. Edward G. Amoroso. So be sure to check it out if you want to know what cybersecurity entails and just have an introduction to cybersecurity. The second course is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate, and this is a course that I'm actually currently taking, and I love how everything is. It's so easy to assimilate and understand. I'll actually do a review on this course once I'm done with it. So basically in this course you learn the skills required to succeed in an entry-level IT job. You learn how to provide end-to-end customer support, ranging from identifying problems to troubleshooting and debugging. The skills you gain include debugging, encryption, customer service, network protocols, cloud computing, binary code, customer support, troubleshooting, Linux, domain name system, and network models. This professional certificate, it includes 5 courses. The first one is the Technical Support Fundamentals. The second one is the Bits and Bytes of Computer Networking. The third one is the Operating System and You, Becoming a Power User. The fourth one is the System Administration and IT Infrastructure Services. And the fifth one, which I find very interesting, is the IT Security, Defense Against the Digital Dark Arts. So overall, I think this course is a really good course. And just imagine having a certificate from Google on your resume. I think that would be really nice. So I think this is a good course and I would highly recommend it to you guys. The third course is the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certification. This is a really good course because Python is a language that it's actually very demanded for it's very demanded, so it's a good thing if you have some knowledge about Python. And also you learn how to automate with Python in this course, which I think is really cool. In this course you learn how to automate tasks by writing Python scripts, how to use Git and GitHub for version control, how to manage IT resources at scale both for physical machines and virtual machines in the cloud. The skills you learn include using version control, troubleshooting and debugging, Python programming, configuration management, automation, basic Python data structures, fundamental programming concepts, basic Python syntax, object orientation programming, and so many others. This professional certificate contains 6 courses. The first one is crash course on Python. The second one is using Python to interact with the operating system. The third one is introduction to Git and GitHub. The fourth one is troubleshooting and debugging techniques. The fifth one is configuration management. And the sixth one is automating real-world tasks with Python. This is a really cool course, and if you want to break into cybersecurity, depending on what aspects you want to go in, I'd actually advise and recommend you just take this course because it's a really good one. And of course, it's offered by Google again. The next course on my list is the IBM Security Analyst Professional Certificate, and from the name, you know that this course is offered by IBM. You could also try it for 7 days for free before you gain the full access. So basically, with this course, you'll learn how to develop knowledge of cybersecurity analyst tools. You learn about the key compliance and threat intelligence. You gain skills for incident response and forensics. You get hands-on experience to develop skills. Malware, cyber attacks, infosec, IT security analyst, IBM new collar, database vulnerabilities, and so on. The professional certificates contain 8 courses. The first course is Introduction to Cybersecurity, Tools and Cyber Attack. The second one is the Cybersecurity Roles, Processes and Operating System Security. The third one is the Cybersecurity Compliance Framework and System Administration. The fourth one is Network Security and Database Vulnerabilities. The fifth one is Penetration Testing, Incident Response and Forensics. The fifth one is Cyber Threat Intelligence, and the seventh one is Cybersecurity Capstone, Breach Response Case Studies. And then the 8th one is IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Assessment. The 5th course on my list is another course offered by Google Cloud to be specific. And it's the Preparing for Google Cloud Certification, Cloud Security Engineer Professional Certificate. And it's basically a Google Cloud training. And what you learn in this course includes the skills needed to be successful in a cloud security engineer role, the cloud security including managing access, defining organizational structure, policies, configuring network. Skills you'll gain include Google Compute Engine, Google App Engine, Google Cloud Platform, cloud computing, and basically how to create and configure network peering. There are 7 courses in this professional certificate. The first one is the Google Cloud Fundamental Core Infrastructure. The second one is Networking in Google Cloud, Defining and Implementing Networks. The third one is Networking in Google Cloud, Hybrid Connectivity and Network Management. The fourth one is Managing Security in Google Cloud. The fifth one is Security Best Practices in Google Cloud. The sixth one is Mitigating Security Vulnerabilities on Google Cloud. And the seventh one is Hands-on Labs in Google Cloud for Security Engineer, which is really good. So guys, let me know what you think about this course once you try them out. Let me know if you assimilate whatever you learn from it. I'll also be doing a review of each courses for the ones I've taken and the ones I'm currently taking once I'm done with them. I hope you were able to gain a few things from this video if you're a beginner or you're just trying to brush up on your knowledge about cybersecurity. Kindly support this channel by liking this video, subscribing, share with people you think might find this video useful. Thank you so much. Hope to see you guys soon.